Because we're moving to Florida on the East Coast, where it's gonna be completely flat. While we're still here in SoCal, California, we're gonna hit up the Angeles Forest Highway, also known as the Crest. Very windy road, very fun. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, just kind of enjoy the scenery and enjoy the curvy roads that California has to offer. So I'll go ahead and throw some clips in for you guys. If you're local in this area, I highly recommend hitting this up. If you have an all-wheel drive car or a rear-wheel drive car and you want some spirited driving. So let's go hit it up. National Forest, the Angeles Crest. So I'm gonna go ahead and give the camera over to Heather. We'll do a couple flybys for you guys and see what's up. You ready to do this?
Meet me on the side of the road.
Ah, you're good. Let's do it.
Finally coming back to get me?
I think we're good. How slow was I looking? Was it looking pretty slow? Feel pretty slow. But here you go, a little couple flybys and onward. By the way, see a few stickers. They're for sale. I'll leave the description down below. Onward. One of the first lookout points. I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can show you guys. Chugging along. Yes, if you're out here, beware of the bicyclists because there are a lot of curves up here. It's hard to see. So I know everything looks dead out here right now, which it is. It's the middle of the summer. It's currently August. So, but in the winter months, you December time frame all the way up to like the spring. This is very green out here, green and luscious. So come out here and see what's up, because there's definitely some nice things to see. Minus all the littering and stuff. Don't look at that, but looking out in the distance, that's pretty cool. All right, onward. So we got this little trek left all the way down into the city. That's where heart of LA and all that is. It's kind of hard to see because there's been a lot of forest fires and just the constant pollution that LA actually has in general. So onward. Driving, or just come out and chill, because there's plenty of places where you can pull over and get some pictures too, like we already did, and it's a pretty good time out here. So just make sure you're paying attention to the road. That's why I got a camera person, aka wife Heather. Thank you. So let's go ahead and get out of here, then we'll wrap up this little vlog here at the Crest.
Hey,
what?
how mad are you gonna be if I didn't get the footage you wanted?
I'm mad because then we'll just come out here and do it again. One thing I do have to add is, don't be ballsy and try to pass these double yellow lines, because there's so many curves, twists and turns that you really can't see what's going on. Don't risk your lives, don't risk other people's lives. Wait till the appropriate time to pass, you know. They have plenty of turnouts like I mentioned. Don't make a stupid move. So we just passed the Crest Highway sign, and now we're out of it. Good little trip, something we wanted to do before I left here. So a couple things: speed limits, make sure you follow them. There's a lot of cops out there. 2, be courteous to all those bikers out there, other individuals. So if you want to have fun driving and everything, everybody wants to do that, but just do it safely. And thirdly, never live your life on idle. And I want to say thanks for watching, and if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. I always have car content out there, and I'm always doing new things, travel vlogs. So with all that being said, never live your life on idle, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.